What's going on YouTube, it's GadgetsBoy and welcome to another video. Today we're taking a look at the brand new Google Pixel 3 and 3 XL. For the purpose of this video, we're going to focus more on the XL because they're quite similar in terms of specifications and so on. I know what you're thinking straight away, the leaks are very true. There's no trolling, there's nothing. The leaks are almost, if you've seen it way before the event, basically you've seen everything. But nonetheless, it was still really nice to actually see the phone in person, face to face, and actually handle it and see what it's all about. So to start with, the smaller version, the standard Pixel 3, is got a 5.5 inch Full HD Plus display, and the 3 XL, the bigger brother, has got 6.3 inch Quad HD Plus OLED display. Both are OLED display, by the way, so not just the 3 XL. The first thing you notice on the front displays as well is the fact that one's got this notch that's more noticeable compared to the other one. And underneath this notch on the 3 XL, and even the smaller one, you get two lens set up there, which means you can now do a really wide angle kind of situation there. So you've got dual 8 megapixel wide angle and telephoto front facing cameras, which is pretty cool. It means you can get more people into your shots, something that I really like and actually welcome here as well. For processor, you got Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset in both devices. You got 4 gig RAM with either a 64 gig of storage or 128 gig of storage. On both devices, you get no expansion slots, but that's because Google offer you unlimited storage with iRes as well on Google Photos, so you can sync your Google Photos. You can sync your photos and your videos as well with no problems at all. On the back for the main camera, there's no dual camera lens setup here or anything gimmicky like that here. There's 12.2 megapixel f1.8 lens here with OIS and EIS as well. You can shoot 4K at up to 30 frames per second with HDR Plus present as well. The camera is really good and everything goes down to software, so in terms of data crunching. So when you take photos, it comes out really good. You got night shift mode as well. I think it's called night shift, I could be wrong, but basically it's just night mode, which means you'll be able to get better photos when shooting at night. It's got AI in action here, it's got some algorithms and so on, some software in action here to make sure that your night shots look amazing. They compared it at a conference with the iPhone XS, and the Pixel 3 came out on top. I'm looking forward to trying this out in person when I do get the device in for review, so we'll check that out when that comes into play. You've also got stereo speakers, which when I tried it out as well, it sounds really good. They've got custom sound profile in there, which is really good. It's IPX8 water and dust resistant, so again, you'll be able to use it comfortably with slight splashes here and there. Pricing, it starts from £739, which I would say is on the pricey side of things if you consider what's on the market right now. But nonetheless, you're getting a good camera for your device, and it's pure Android here. And this £739 is for the Pixel 3 for the base model, if you with 64 gig of storage. But if you go up to 128 gig, you're looking at £839. Now let's look at Pixel 3 XL. You're looking at £869 starting for the 64 gig version and £969 for the 128 gig version. And this, with this package here, you're not getting what you'd get with like a Samsung Galaxy Note 9, for example, or even let's not even begin to mention what else you can get out there. For battery, on the Pixel 3, you get 2,950 mAh battery with 12 days of standby. On the 3 XL, you get 3,430 mAh battery with a 14-day standby. I'm not worried too much about the battery here because of the pure Android experience that you're getting, so you won't get things running in the background and almost draining your battery. Anyway, guys, this is just the first look at it. I think first impression for me, the screen looks really bright. It looks really nice to look at in terms of display, watching videos on it and so on. Everything is all on the software with this device, not so much of the hardware. I really love the camera. Camera looks good, first impression, but again, we'll put it to full test when it lands on our desk here. In the meantime, guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you think it's too pricey? Would you get one in general? And the other thing is, what do you think about leaks? I'd like to get your opinion on that. I think the leaks kind of ruined it for me a little bit. Anyway, guys, hit that subscribe button and the bell button as well, so you'll be one of the first people to know when we upload on this channel. See you in the next one.